What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's another week and I'm back yet again at Walmart to share the clearance aisle with you guys. One of you guys told me that I am better than Brick Seek, so thank you so much for your compliments. I'm going to try to share all the deals with you, at least what's in my Walmart, and then hopefully you guys can see some of these items in your Walmart as well. So I think we're going to do what we did like a couple weeks ago. We're gonna go ahead and start down here in the $15 and up section, and then if we see some things that are really nice, I'll probably scan them in hopes of them being cheaper. But yeah, you guys, I really like to see what's in here every week. Some of you told me that you got some of these Transformer pillows, and you guys told me that they were marked down to $2 in your store. So I think we're gonna put one of these in my cart and we're gonna see what they scan for, because last I looked, I think they were ringing up for like $11. But yeah, you guys, let's look over here in the 15 and up section and let's just see if we see anything new. They still have the diapers down here for $19 and the humongous area rugs for $19.88. Ooh, look you guys, a Keurig for $129. The Hero mat is still $19, normally $38.62. They have some Crest white strips here for $30. The ice bucket got marked down to $4.49, and it has a lifetime warranty. $30 for this ultimate chair cover. Look you guys, they have a Huggies gift pack. This is $19 and it has 248 wipes. I have no idea how much it normally was. It doesn't even say on here. $4.41 for some sort of cable. The magnet lashes are still here. I try to cover like pretty much everything on the aisle, so I'm sorry you guys if I'm going kind of fast, but I want to just try to show you guys the current prices and what's here this week. They still have a little bit of Pioneer Woman items. A chain for your bike for $14.96. We are going to scan the Transformer pillows because you guys told me that you have been getting them for $2. What's this? This is the Crazy Art sticker art. What is this? You're supposed to be able to make stickers, but it looks like it's missing half of its pieces. That's $11.23. And then over here we have some Hotel Transylvania blind bags. First series for $2. It says was $3.88. A $28.88 Storytime Elena guitar. These Harry Potter dolls are $20.97. What else? Whoa, they marked this down. The Instant Pot is now $59. I think it was $79 last time I saw it here. The Copper Chef Wonder Cooker is $39. This full/queen comforter, is it full or is it queen? That looks so pretty. Okay, full/queen. This is $65 from the Pioneer Woman. This is a Whirlpool stainless steel hot and ice cold top load water cooler. It was $149, now it's $74. This would be perfect if you have an office or you own a business. These are still $9, very farmhouse, the galvanized steel. Oh, cute, look at the huge boba. I don't know how much these are. Let's scan this. Let's go scan it now. Birdie, will you watch my cart? Yes. We're gonna go scan the boba. This is a reusable jumbo sticky patch. I think it's so cute. Let's scan it and see how much it is, because I have no idea. Okay. Someone's thing has to clear. Okay, let's scan mine. $1.50. And these are some of the other designs that they have. So cute. The boba is really cute. Look at that. It's jumbo. $1.50. They also have the hot dog here. Look at the little hot dog. Okay. Now this is like the $13 through $9 section. Let's start down here. Actually, I think we looked at pretty much everything over here. Oh, they have the VTech. These are so cute. These are the light up baby touch tablets for $13. Iams grain free for $10.92. Diva Curl Low Poo Original. Okay, you guys, this is $11. This was originally $21.92. I didn't even know Walmart carried things that cost $21.92 in the hair care area. That is still super high priced at $11. The Star Wars Death Star Battle little like zipper pouches. Those are $9. I think these are new in the clearance aisle. These little bird pillows. I don't see a price though, so we'll throw that in the cart and scan that. These are some little Apple Watch compatible wristbands, $7, $9. This one's $9 in a solid black. This one is like, kind of like a stretchy, like faux metal. This beauty is still here, the $17. Oh, Timeless Beauty. You guys, it really is pretty for $17. The white milk cake stand with glass cover. So pretty. Okay, now we're in the $7 section. Creosote sweeping log. $7. Helps prevent chimney fires. $7 for some Caesar chicken flavored dog food. $7 for the grain-free Purina. Also the Nutro is $7. It was $14.96. Ooh, what are these? Lemongrass, eucalyptus, and lavender. These are some essential oils. They were normally $8.84. Mosquito repellent. More Apple compatible wristbands, watch bands, whatever they're called. A phone case for $5, compatible with what? I don't know, you guys. It says new iPhone 5.8. I think that should be a little bit cheaper. They have some window kits for $5, was $11.44. If you need to winterize your windows for next year. They have a lot of the Duck brand items here. The insulating shrink film, also for $5. This window kit is a little bit smaller than this one, and this one is $4. $5 for Nature's Recipe dog food, puppy food actually. $5 for Iams. So yeah, you guys, this is for sensitive skin and stomach. They have a lot of like high-end dog foods here this week. This is deodorizing dog shampoo for $5. So what I'm noticing for this week is mostly a whole lot of new pet foods. They have the Milani Contour and Highlight. They have the L'Oreal Brow Razor. Those are both $5. Okay, let's look over here and see if we missed anything. I think some of these items were here last week. The Valance sets for $6.97. This one also. This one is $4.50, you guys, for the healthy skin. And then over here we saw the grain-free puppy. That's $5, just 50 cents more. And then this is Vibrant Life Moisturizing Dry dog shampoo. That is my first time ever seeing a dry dog shampoo. The Monostat is on sale for $3.99, normally $16.96. $4 HVAC sealing tape. Wow. For Class 1 Flex ducts. JoJo is here. Glitter glue, liquid lava putty for $4. We'll put one of those in the cart and we'll scan those too and just see if it's any cheaper. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. Lodge seasoning spray for cast iron. I actually have the Lodge brand cast iron griddle at home. Ooh, the Yankee candle. This has been here for a couple weeks. This is $4.50. It was $17.97. We're going to scan it and see if maybe it's a little bit cheaper. $2 for clear removable weather seal. Okay, so we have a lot of name brand pet food. We also have some things for weatherization. $3.50 for this repair tape. Heavy duty all weather repair tape. It's clear and strong. It says use indoors and outdoors. Nice. We might scan this too. I might buy this because it's super, super clear. Ooh, $2.50 for a Samsung Galaxy tablet case. It was $9.78. They still have a couple of really pretty plates here by the Pioneer Woman, just $2. This is $1.24 natural wet food for dogs by the brand Peak. And what's this? This is a faucet protector for $1.50 to put on your outside faucets. Again, you guys, we're kind of sticking with the whole weatherization theme. On this side of the aisle, I feel like we left off right about here. So let's see what we missed. This is a siphon pump for the fast, convenient transfer of non-flammable liquids. Okay, this says it's $1.50. This one says it's $5, so I'm guessing it's the $1.50 price. This is a hand-operated siphon pump. We're still seeing some of the same makeup. We're seeing Neutrogena, we're seeing L'Oreal, we're seeing Milani, we're seeing Revlon. A Rayovac 6-volt outdoor rechargeable battery. I don't really know what this one is for. Well, 6-volt. Maybe for camping. I have no clue, you guys. Animal scrubbies for babies, $3. Some Baby Organics wipes for $3, organic baby wipes. Again, a few things from the Pioneer Woman. This is the dish drying mat. They have a small selection of the plates left, and also some from Better Homes and Gardens are left. I thought these would be sold out really fast, but they've actually been here for a couple weeks now. This is a $2 split ends prevention hair mask. They have a Five Nights at Freddy's squishy for $1.50. And look, you guys, even more things for pets. Some $3 puppy shampoo, an odor solution shampoo, a sensitive skin shampoo, and a freshening spray for $3. They also have a little collection left of the Cushion Makeup by Wet n Wild for $3. I don't know if she's supposed to be here. Sunny Day. She might have gone up there. I'm not sure though. We'll just put her over here for now. Little double dipper cups. Some duct tape. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be here or not. A $5, what is this, Wonder Woman? Like little purse. A $2 bicycle tube by Goodyear. And a few things that have been up here for a while. Some hair scent sticks, a 40-pound fluorocarbon, what is this, you guys? A liter for $1, fishing stuff. I think these are washers, maybe. What is this? Durable rubber rings, fits around tie-up flag spring. I have no idea, you guys, but it's 75 cents. No freeze grease for $1.50. Yeah, that is what the clearance aisle is looking like, but as promised, we are going to go ahead and go over to the scanner and see what these items scan for. The little bird pillow, I have no idea because there was no tag on it. And then we're just going to see if some of these other items scan for a little cheaper than advertised. First thing we're going to scan is the bird pillow. Okay, let's see if I can do it, you guys. $9.97. Okay, $9.97. Not the best price. Let's scan this one. It's marked as $11, but some of you have been getting these at your store for $2. Let's see. Come on. $11 in my store, you guys, so check in your store. The quality is really, really nice. Hopefully you guys will find them for $2 and not for $11. Okay, next thing I'm gonna scan is the $3.50 clear, what are they calling it, you guys? It's like a clear repair tape. Let's see. It's an all-weather repair tape. So that is $3.50. What else do we have in here? JoJo. Let's scan JoJo's glitter goo. It says $4. Let's see if it scans for any cheaper. Come on. This thing is so picky, $4. So far, everything that we've scanned has been the price that it's marked. This is the last thing to scan, you guys, and it says it's $4.50, so let's see. I'm gonna put these items back. Oh, I actually have one last thing to show you. This is so cute. I meant to show you guys this. I have no idea how much this is, so let's go ahead and just scan it over here really quick and see how much he is. He's $10.88, and I think he's just so adorable. Okay, we'll put him back. He definitely does not belong in the dollar section, but he probably doesn't belong in the clearance section at all. But hey, you guys, that's it for me here in Walmart on the clearance aisles. I hope I was able to show you guys the deals of the week and help you guys save money. I love coming down the clearance aisle, and to be honest, filming these videos for you guys gives me the best excuse ever to come down the clearance aisle and take a look for myself. But all right, you guys, again, I'm putting these items away and then I'm off to get my groceries. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Hit that bell so you don't miss a single video, and feel free to share your comments with me down below. Also, if you haven't yet and you'd like to be a part of my YouTube family, don't forget to go ahead and hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.